So if you want to learn how to get your eyebrows from looking bald to looking on fleek like 2016, so first things first, I'm gonna actually moisturize my face. The oil I'll be using on my face is this hemp argan oil by Azor. I got this for $5.99 at TJ Maxx. This stuff is really amazing. I have really dry skin, so I tried to film this video earlier and my face was so dry. It wasn't showing up on camera, but hopefully I don't have any leftover makeup because I've been trying to film this video all freaking day. It is now 8 o'clock and I started at like 3. I am just... This YouTube stuff is not easy, so if you really think that it's easy to just sit in front of the camera and do your thing, it's not easy. I'm gonna do this tutorial without my glasses on, so if I start squinting, just know that I'm blind as that. So the gel I use for my eyes is actually this e.l.f. eyeliner. The brush I'll be using is this right here. This dual-ended spoolie/angle brush from a brush set that was sold on Amazon for about $15, and I think it was about $10. I gave myself freaking bangs when I know that I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. Kayla. So the first thing I like to do is of course comb my eyebrows out, because start at the beginning. And I like to go up like this. I actually like to kind of go up like this. I like to do an upside down Nike symbol, kind of like making my eyebrows look like doodle bob. So the purpose of this is to actually create the arch, because one of my eyebrows have an arch and the other one does not. So I'm so tempted to just like, maybe one day I'll do doodle bob eyebrows for a day. Okay. And once I do the top, I just honestly fill them in.
I fill them very lightly. And then the bottom, I just slowly start to just...
I held my breath the whole time I did that. Now on to the next brow. Okay, still recording. So now that I look evil. So now that my eyebrows look like two big Sharpies, I take the spoolie and I lightly do this, and to just get rid of those harsh lines in your lashes, but I'm gonna be very careful. I want it to be running all over the place until I've used the heck out of this. Mineral powder also works with this as well. So set the brows so that, you know, it's not running all over the place, that they're not shiny, that they're like not all over the place and they're not shiny and doing their own little thing. I don't know why. I close things when I'm not done with them, and then I open them like an idiot. Okay. So next up is concealer. So I have this Wet n Wild concealer brush, like wipe off the excess, and I'm just gonna pretty much go around my eye just to clean it up a bit. So like I said, with concealer, you be extremely careful. So I'm gonna stop talking now. Disclaimer about this concealer, I was actually trying to find a concealer that was lighter than my freaking skin so that I can wear brighter colors, but I can't go anywhere because I'm quarantined, because we're in the age of the zombie apocalypse where everyone is coughing and not washing their hands. I can't get simple things that I need, like brighter concealer. This is foundation for me, and it's so good for blending. It's not easy. Once again, I said it before, and I'll say it again. It is not easy to do this, and I see why sometimes it takes a long time for YouTubers to really upload their videos, because it's not easy. So I'm not gonna complain. I mean, I think this is something that I actually will be able to do. This is by Fenty Beauty. This is her Match Stick in Cinnamon. I actually got it as a sample. And we're gonna put this under the eye. Then I'm gonna use my palette, one of my favorite everyday palettes, Give It To Me Straight by ColourPop. This palette was about $16. This is actually a really good brand. But for right now, I don't think you can order anything on ColourPop, because you know why? People can't wash their hands. So once this thing is done, once the schools open back up, and once people stop dying, stay at home when they're sick because of other people's actions, then you guys can probably go on colourpop.com and get something. But in the meantime, I'm gonna smile like this. And then I'm gonna... Okay. I did not just do that. I'm not gonna do that. It's gonna look a mess, guys. Or maybe I can... Realistically, this is kind of my everyday eyebrows and lips. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and say, guys, I can't really see myself. So even though I have a mirror like right in front of me so I can watch and see if the video stops recording, I literally can't I can't see whether this looks good or not. But I'm gonna pray. Lord, please make this look good. Dang, you work fast. This, guys, is the final look. This is how my eyebrows look. From fluke to fleek. Well, let me do what every beauty girl does. Okay, I'm done. But anyways, thank you guys for joining me on my very first YouTube channel. If you guys made it this far, well, I want you to like, subscribe, comment down below, leave some love. Bye bye, till next time. Can't see me, see you later, finito, fin, scene, whatever.